What's up, friends? If you're looking to make the most out of your savings, then you need to know about high yield savings accounts. My name is Ash, and in this guide, I'm going to walk you through 11 banks with amazing products that offer returns that are 400 to 500% greater than the national average of 0.01%. These products are high yield savings accounts, also known as HYSA. They require no minimum, no fees, and no big upfront commitments, only with the ones on my list. Let's get into it. So what exactly is a high yield savings account? Well, it's the perfect place to grow your money, and it's a great option for building up your emergency fund, which we all need. But before we dive into the details, let me give a quick shout out to our sponsor, AutoSmart. Keep cool in the summer and warm in the winter. This is the efficient alternative to APUs. Big returns for your semi-truck. Link in the description. All right, now, most of the banks I'm about to share don't require a minimum to open an account. Listen, I started with just $5 in one of them just to test it out. And it was a smooth process. I applied, got approved, connected to my external bank account, and I deposited $5. Easy, just like that. And if you have an extra cash sitting around, whether it's $5 or $1,000, you'll want to stick around to the end of this guide to learn where you can start making a higher return on your money. And here's the best part. These high yield savings accounts, they help you beat inflation. Listen, they help you beat inflation. So you're not just saving, you're growing your money. HYSAs help to combat inflation, which averages around 3% per year. So by earning 4 to 5.25% or more on your deposits, you'll be outpacing inflation. Easy. Don't worry. If you ever need to access your money, there are no withdrawal restrictions. The money is there when you need it. No questions asked. So let's jump right in and explore these high yield savings accounts that are sure to make your money work harder for you. As of July 17, 2024, here are 11 savings accounts that I researched and found impressive. These products are in no particular order, and this is for informational and entertainment purposes only, not professional financial advisement. Do your research. I don't know your certain situation, so your research, everyone's situation is different. All right, so let's get started. When you go to each website, the HYSAs are usually listed under the online banking tab. You'll see them in the left-hand side usually. All right, so number one on my list, I have Amex, also known as American Express. American Express have a 4.25% APY, no minimum, no fees. They do compounding daily depositing interest, all right? Meaning the money that you place into the account earns interest on a daily basis, and it pays out monthly. Number two on the list, Discover. Discover has a 4.25% APY, no fees, no minimums, compound daily, depositing earnings in your account on a monthly basis. Number three, Ally, 4.20% APY, includes savings buckets feature. That's the way to categorize your savings into these little buckets, and they have no fees, no minimum. Next on the list, SoFi. SoFi is a bit higher. It's at 4.6% APY, no account fees, but you must open a dual account, which is a checking and a savings account to get started. And you also get a $50 to $300 bonus at the time of this video, depending on the direct deposit amount. There's no overdraft fees, no minimums, and no monthly fees. If you don't open a checkings account, the savings will only be 1.20%. Just as a heads up. Oh yeah, do me a favor. Subscribe to the channel and smash that like button. If you're new to the channel, my name is Ash, and welcome back. If you're returning, Easy Money Mob. Now let's keep going. Number 5, Lending Club. So, Lending Club offers 5.2% APY. It requires $100 to open. They have no minimum after that. So, you have to put in $100, and then after that, you don't have to keep a minimum balance. transparency moment. All right, this is one of my favorite ones. Lending Club, I personally use them. They have a slower application and approval process, but worth it because they have higher earnings. They also have no monthly service fees. They have a free ATM card available and online banking with an app, which some of these companies don't have an app. So they have a real leg up. Number 6, Capital One 360 Performance Savings. It offers 4.25% APY, no minimums, no fees. They do compounding, daily deposit and interest, and the earnings are deposited on a monthly basis. Number 7, Jenius Savings. This is one of my favorites. They have a 5.25 APY, no fees, no minimum, quick application, and the approval process is fast. Personally, I love this bank, and its parent company has been around over 100 years. It's an easy process with real people customer service. Pro tip, these are short-term options to park your money in these accounts. Now for long-term options, you want to be talking saving for 5 to 10 years or more. Consider placing it in a brokerage account such as Vanguard, Betterment, or Fidelity Investments. Those are great accounts to park it for long-term. Now let's keep going. Number 8, Marcus by Goldman Sachs. They offer 4.40 APY. They're backed by financial experts. There's no fees, no minimums, and they offer same-day transfers of $100,000 or less to and from other banks. That is one rare feature. They also offer 24/7 customer service. Number 9, Quickbooks Bank. Quickbooks offers 5% APY and has a feature called Savings Envelope, similar to Savings Plus. They have no monthly fees, no minimums, and it's tied to your QuickBooks Online payments account, and it's built for businesses. So if you have a business, this will be a great account for you. Number 10, Laurel Roads. They offer 5.15 APY, no minimum balance, and 0 cost to open. No monthly fees, and they have a banking app. Number 11, last on the list, Credit Karma Bank. They offer 5.1% APY, FDIC insured up to $5 million. One of the highest in the industry. No monthly maintenance charges, transfers, or withdrawal fees. No minimums to open, and the interest is earned monthly. Now those are great options. Look through all of these options and see what fits you in your situation. Remember, these banks are online, which is why we're able to earn high yields due to federal government adjustments. It'll take a couple of days to transfer your funds to an external account of your choice, but you have to gauge what works for you. When depositing your money, use FDIC insured banks only, and be aware of the FDIC limits for each bank you plan to deposit money into. As you shop around, check reviews and ratings of financial institutions, and make sure you choose one that will protect your money with federal insurance from FDIC, or for credit unions, the NCUA. All right, now talk back, family. Where do you put your money? Is it in one of these banks? If not, who do you use? Drop in the comment section. Let us know. Thanks for stopping through to hear about HYSAs. Let's get this easy money. Peace.